So hello guys, welcome to one of my another video. So yeah, in this video we're going to get our god human. Yeah, the fighting style, the most epic. I mean, it's not epic, it's mythical fighting style, of course, right? Yeah, so for me it's mythical. If you guys have more word of god human, uh, never mind of that. So yeah, here's my Sharkman Karate. It has 446 mastery, and let's see all of our other fighting style if had they had if they had 400 plus mastery. Let's see. Hey bro, am I lagging? Yo, I'm lagging. Wait. Yeah, I guess I'm lagging. Yeah, I'm not lag anymore. So let's go to the castle and let's see if my god, what the heck is this signal, bro? I hate this. Man, for real, bro. Oh, I can't go. Yeah, let's go. We're going to the castle. Castle on the sea. Yeah, we're going. Sorry about my grammar at speaking English. I really don't know how to speak English because not. I am really not into English because I'm from Philippines and I speak Bisaya and Tagalog only. But still, I will try hard. I will try my best, guys, so that you will understand my words. Yeah. We'll try to spin. Yeah, we will try to spin. I hope we got the best fruit ever. Yo, it's lagging. What the heck, bro? It's glitching. Hey, we've got the best fruit, the mythical bomb fruit. What the heck, man? And I can store it because I don't have a plus one capacity game pass. We will just drop this here. Yeah. So we will check our other fighting style if they had 100 plus mastery. So we can buy the good human. Hey bro, stop lagging. I am. Our death step has what the heck 522 mastery. That's cool. And our dark step has 418 mastery. That's cool. Yeah. And our electric has a 428 units. Oh, that's so cool, bro. And our water kung fu is 417. They're the same. Our dark step and water kung fu has the same mastery. That's cool. And our dragon dragon breath has 448 mastery. That's cool. Let me just, yeah. You an unknown being has entered the world this world. Yo, what? Being has entered this world. Hey, I don't have, you know, the sword yet. Maybe we'll do another video for that, if possible, only. So our superhuman has, ooh, yo, what's up? 600 mastery? That's cool. Well, that's cool, alright. That's cool, alright. Yeah, so let's go for the electric law. If you will check if our mastery on the electric claw has a 400 plus. Yeah, and the dragon talon too. We'll check it out. Let's see. Uh, Whoa, what the heck? His skin, his avatar, what the heck? Where is it all? I think it's gone, and yeah, I think it is gone. Or am I just lagging? And yeah, you got Max, Max. What the heck? I'm speechless, guys. I am really freaking speechless. And after that, and before we will get our dragon claw, we will we, let's just get our dragon claw. We don't have things to do, alright? We're not busy, but yeah, I'm busy trying to get the god human. Hey, Ozot's there. Hey, Ozot, what's up, dude? What's good? Yeah, I'm learning that. We have 509 mastery on our dragon talon. Yo, so I guess we can buy the god human, alright? Yeah, we can buy the human. We can buy the god. Hey, wait, I'm gonna just put this home. Nah, man. Nah, man. On the video I saw, it's in here. The tree. It's in the tree, I guess. Yo. Stop lagging. I'm trying to make a video. It's here. Yeah, it's here. What's ancient monk? So I think we need five king frags and 5M money in. Use materials. What material was that, bro? What material? Who's that? Let's get this. Who the heck was that? Oh my god, bro. We will just fight this guy. And I am freaking lagging, bro. I'm gonna die from the lag. No. No, not this one. We'll just level this. We'll just fully master. That's fully mastery, bro. We will mastery our god human. But The video almost hit 20 minutes. I'm a, what the heck am I saying? E, nice. Philippine word. Yeah, oi, na, hakdog. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. We've got the soaring beast, and it's not my first time to see this because I have this on my main account. The damage was dealing good, bro. The damage was good. Not if we'll use holy crown. Wait, let me just focus this. And what the freak? 4243. The damage is so high. Let me try that. No 4559. Was that for real? As you can see, it's mastery 127 only. But that's the damage, guys. It's dealing more damage. I can't believe my eyes. Even though this isn't my first time, but I wasn't trying this with Holy Crown on. Holy Crown on. Yeah, for real. The video is 25. Yoshi isn't here either. What the heck, man? Oh my god, bro. I guess we'll just cut the video. So, see you later, guys. Guys, bye and peace. And hello, guys. I am just back from our challenge, and my god human has obtained the second skill, which I didn't record because I forgot it. And let me show you the damage. It's 3552, and what I've heard to this fighting style, it has 4 skills. So let me show you the second one and the third one, I guess. And it deals 5328,000 damage. And what if we use the holy crown? What if we use the holy crown? We choose the heaven first. Eh, bro, I didn't remember the damage though from first try, and this earth one will try to use this with our holy crown on. Yo, that was sick. 5329 was the current damage. So yeah, we're gonna mastery our god human to 350. And now we've got the last kill of our god human. So now we'll full showcase this. Yeah, let's full showcase this. Yeah, so here we are, and we're gonna full showcase our God human. Yeah, for real, we're gonna full showcase this. The first skill showing this has a 4372 damage. That was a high damage. Then the second one, name which names Heaven and Earth. My sorry for my English, guys. It has no right grammar like this. Yeah, for real. And back to our challenge. Here, the top one, I guess. 3732 damage, and for the next one, the long press damage. Yo, that damage deals 5598 damage. Yeah, for real, that was a strong one. And the next one is 6 realm gun. The top, which has a low damage, I guess. If the top one has a low damage. What if we will long press this one? Yeah. My gosh, I forgot my words, bro. Yeah, and this is the other one, I guess. If you guys can't hear my voice, I'ma just, yeah, make, bro, for real. Oh, you, what the freak? That damage deals 5132, but not as high as this one. Yo, stop, I'm just a new guy. Bruh. And that's all for today's video. Bye.